Hello everybody. Kyung here, and I'm super excited. I'm here to show you a finished journal. Dum dum dum. So this is one that I've been making on the side. It's a purple journal, and I have different fabrics. It's like a quilted cover, right? It's got a lilac on the front, and I made this as a gift for Nancy. She's been such a wonderful supporter of mine for months and months since the beginning, right? And I even met her last year. I think it was like last year, right? And I met her and Jen and Michelle and Mike. It was wonderful. We all had dinner. But she expressed interest in buying one of my purple journals, but it had already been sold or something. And so I thought, well, I'm going to make her one and gift it to her as a surprise. So that's what this is. So I have a library card in the cover, right? And I've done lots of stitching and stuff, right? Here's the spine. I put stitching and fabrics and stuff. Here we have our first page is a flip with a journal card that has like a tab on it, right, with some pretty lace. Right, there's the back of it. I think that's it. Yep. And there's the other side. And this is a Medieval Mirage, right? And this is like my kit, my lavender lilac kit. I think this might be a journal boat envelope, this purple one, I'm not sure. We have a belly band here with another journaling card. Isn't that super cute? I thought that was super cute, right? And it also has on it a journaling space, right? If I can figure out how to open it. There we go. It opens down. It comes down like this. Ta-da, opens out. A whole journaling space right on the back of that journaling card. So I thought that was fun. So that goes in there. And I've got like vintage stamps and stuff on there. And then here we have a lace pocket with just some journaling paper, right? That was alcohol ink dyed. And I put like a morning glory image from Line Dot Arrow. That's what this paper is from a Line Dot Arrow kit. And some trim. And then here I have a pocket, right? One of these big gusset pockets. And inside is a notebook. And I made this notebook out of a botanic page, right? See, it's a botanic book page. And it's got a bunch of purple paper. And there we go. Just a whole little notebook. And it goes in this pocket right here. Right? And I put little pearls on there. I tried to put lots of pearls and little things, because Judy is always like, pearls, pearls. So I have to add pearls. And I agree. It gives such a wonderful finish, huh? We've got lots and lots of just journaling pages and space, some coffee dyed papers, some purple papers, some music paper of Little Boy Blue, this cute little paper clip, and this journaling card with this tab. Right? And I think this was a Shabby Dabby Doodah kit. I think a Paris one. I had some leftover remnants. And then we have this page. And I made this belly band, and it says Colorado because I live in Colorado, and she also lives in Colorado. So I thought that was cute. And it, like with this girl, right, sitting under the lilac bush, which I love. It's like a book illustration. And it's another little notebook with graph paper for the paper inside. That goes inside that belly band. Here we have this pocket with a pretty tag, right? And some journaling. Just some journaling paper. Nothing too fancy. I inked it up to look all pretty. Right, and put a sticker on it. Here we have a little pocket and some journaling cards. This I made out of a book illustration, I think from the same book illustration as the other girl, with a little cluster. Isn't that super cute? And then this is a vintage simplicity pattern, and I went and colored some of their clothes purple because I thought that was pretty. So there's that, right, with some stenciling and some journaling. Lots of journaling paper, right? botanical book page. We have this. This was I made from a Miss P tutorial, a Miss Paint-A-Lot tutorial, right? And it opens like this. Ooh, fancy. And then it opens like this. And then it opens like this. Da-dun! And we have a pretty purple lace pocket here with a Colorado history page, right? And this like journaling page, which I thought was really cool, that has been coffee dyed. So those go in there, and then you can write here, and then this is a just like a tearaway notebook with various coffee dyed papers throughout, right? And that gets tucked in that belly band. And then in this pocket, we have these two pretty journaling cards, right? And these are Medieval Mirage papers that I had left over, and I put some pretty lace on some purple cardstock, and those go in this pretty fabric, like lacy pocket here. Ta-dum! So there we go. There's all of that. Right, and then this ties closed, and onward we go. This is a flip, see? And you could journal underneath it, and then it also has some journaling paper tucked inside. Ta-dum! So that gets tucked inside the pocket up there. Come on. Yay! Okay, so here we have a flip open, right? A greeting card flip out. And I did this page kind of, I guess, bullet journal style, I suppose. I had fun with that. Let's see, the next page, yes, this one. We have a decoupaged big pocket, right? And it just has some journaling that I've stamped and stenciled on there. And that goes in this pocket. And a botanical book page. And then we have some journaling, right? Some pretty journaling. And this like vellum pocket. And this I did with a jelly plate. And then we have this pretty journaling card. And this pretty journaling card. Or this is actually opens to reveal more journaling space. Lots of journaling space. So that goes in there. Right? And then we have this little page, and then another belly band, right? And so this was all stamped using Lorna, Tailor Made Journals, her stamps, her like custom stamps. And look at how gorgeous it came out. I love. And this is just another, tearaway, little scrappy tearaway notebook. Right, so there's that. That goes in that belly band. And then we have this pretty page with a little pocket. And this is just like a little scrappy notebook, right, where you could just like tear little scraps out or whatever. And a pretty like Edith Holden. This was printed from that Edith Holden CD. So just a pretty little journaling card. And some journaling, and another pretty big journaling card. And this one has a pretty lace pocket, right, with this card in it. So there's that. And lots of journaling space. And then this came from my digital, right, my lavender lilac kit. And we have here little circle pockets, and they're stuffed with like little bits of ephemera. See? So there's this pocket, and then there's this pocket, right? Just little tickets and little journaling, just little kind of tea cards and ephemeras and stickers. Just fun little stuff she can pull out if she wants and use in other journals or whatever she wants to do. Ta-da, see another ticket and a sticker and like a little tea card. And she's pretty, huh? I think that's a Tim Holtz ephemera. So there's those little circle pockets. And then here we have this. This is like an envelope flip thing. So we have this pocket here, and it just has a quote on it. Right, little journaling card. I love these like vellum. I printed out these little ladies on vellum, and oh, I love just dotting them throughout journals. This opens, right, but we have this, there's like journaling paper I've put inside. Bum bum. Right, and I think this paper I got from, maybe Sydney. Maybe Sid. I'm not quite sure. Here we have this side, which is another pocket. I put another vellum lady, right? And then we have another quote. This one opens like this to reveal more journaling space. And then we have this pretty journaling, right? That I just glued this on here. And this is from the jelly plate paper that I made. The purple jelly plate paper I made. That goes in there. And then we have this page. Dum dum. Lots of journaling. Right? Coffee dyed paper, purple paper. I made this purple paper using RIT, like RIT all-purpose dye. Here's another one of these big journal cards, right? With like Paris themed on a purple, with the purple tab and everything. On this pretty, this is like a vintage chiffon, kind of lacy, and I made that into a pocket. And then on this side we have a pretty bee. It's like bees and purple. I know that Nancy loves bees, so I have some bees dotted throughout the journal. We have a ticket and a music ephemera. Right, those go in there. And then this is like a little envelope stack. And so this clips with one of these little Tim Holtz clips. And I put a charm on one end and a ribbon on the other end. And then I made these little envelopes, right? And inside each envelope, I have not put stuff in there. Well, I'll have to put stuff in there. I'm going to put journaling cards, just like I'm going to cut out some of these from the kit, right? These lilac journaling cards. I'm going to cut these out, maybe put some stickers and stuff in the smaller one. Right? Probably just fold up and put a piece of journaling paper in that one. So there is those. The envelopes. Right? And then on this side we have this. And this opens, right, from this little circle thing with our swan, and it reveals another little scrappy like tear out notebook or whatever. So yay, there's that. And then we have journaling, lots of journaling, right? Another botanic book page. These I bought from Fiona, Miss Paint-A-Lot. I bought a set of her botanic book pages. She had like quite a few at some point months ago. Dum dum, we have this. Oh, isn't she lovely? So we have this pretty purple journaling little card I made. And then a little quote journaling card with a butterfly. Right? And it's all fancy. It shines. Right? And that goes in that pocket. And then here's the very last page, right? We have an N for Nancy, and we have this pretty bird tag, right, with some stenciling, and then this journaling page that I just put some washi tape down the end, and I inked it, right, so that it's all nice and pretty, right? And then this was like a die cut I had. And there's a lot of washi tape down a lot of the edges, the spine of the journal. And I like doing that. It like reinforces it. Oh, and then I have my stamp that says handmade with love by Kyung. And Lorna made me that stamp, right? My tailor-made journal stamp that I ordered. And yay, that's it. That's the end of the journal. I love it. I had so much fun with it, and I fell in love while making it, as I do most of my journal. And I really hope that she loves it. It's a surprise, and she has no idea she's getting it. So by the time that this video comes out, she will have already received it, as it is a surprise and everything. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.